Today, we'll take a look at how to calculate the number of hours worked in Excel in a few simple steps. The table we prepared contains the times when an employee started and finished work. Hours worked can be calculated easily by simply taking the later time and subtracting the earlier one. Keep in mind one rule, though. To have Excel accurately subtract time and display the right time format, cells must be properly formatted before the calculation takes place. If the cells have been formatted as needed, click in the cell where you want the result to appear. In this case, it's cell E3. Type in the equal sign and click on the cell that contains the later time value, which is 4:30 p.m. here. Since we're subtracting, insert the minus sign, and now just add the time logged under Start Work. Press Enter, and we've got the result. On Monday, the employee worked for 9 hours and 30 minutes in total. If you want to calculate the hours worked for each day of the week, simply click on the bottom right corner of the cell containing the formula and drag it down to the cells where you need the formula to perform the calculation as well. That's it. Good job. Simple calculations of hours worked for each day of the week have been completed. Watch more videos that help you use Excel quickly and easily. Thanks for watching.